So hi everyone, I hope you are very well and doing very well. And I'm coming with a new hiring opportunity. This is M3, and the Divyanshu Gupta have posted about hiring the which ways is eligible for this hiring as well as salary and qualification and job title. So there is a LinkedIn ID. I will pin in description box, and after that you will be reach this profile, and I will also pin the application link in description box, so don't worry guys. But before that, I'm requesting, if you not subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel, because when these types of hiring is come, is it will be full immediate. So you have to सब्सक्राइब एंड प्रेस बेल आइकन, बिकॉज तब की मैं वीडियो डालूँ तो नोटिफिकेशन आपके पास आ जाए और यू विल बी एबल टू फिल इमीडिएट फॉर्म. ओके, so the hiring is M3. I already told you. The job title will be junior software engineer, and qualification B.Tech, MCA, BSc, BCA, or any graduate. And batch should be 26 and 25 of our any batch, like 20. If you belong to 24 pass out batch, you are also eligible for this drive. Okay, so job location will be Mumbai and Bangalore. And the one thing guys, if you have not any experience related to IT field, you are a fresher, you are also eligible for this drive. Okay, so last date, there is no mention last date, but I'm requesting, after watching the video you have to fill the form. Okay, so when you click a link, so you will be reach another page, and it will be maybe take us some time. After that you will be reach this page, and there is some like a description, like a company, and hiring flow, like first apply to position, clear first round will be aptitude and coding assessment, and third is clear communication screening. Okay, that is called Versa round. Okay, Versant round, sorry. Clear technical interview, clear final interview. After that, get selected, join to training 6 to 12 वीक. समझ रहे हो, मतलब 2 से 3 महीने की आपको ट्रेनिंग दी जाए. दैट इज अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर फ्रेशर गाइस. ओके, सो द सैलरी will be 9.1 LPA to 12 monthly salary. Oh, that is great. And there is form filling, first name, last name, email, and resume attached, and there is some job preference, and after that there is some information needed, so you will be you have to fill, and after that submit application tab. So that is all about today's video, and if video was very informative, so please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Also like guys, so we will meet these types of informative video. Jab tak ke liye bye bye, take care, thank you watching the video guys.